Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the show. I know it's been a while, but fortunately, I actually have decided to stop filming doing the Terminator and Bismarck. I'm still working on them, but just not going to film them. However, I do have something new coming that I'm going to start, which is the Russian MiG 29. One of the reasons I'm doing this because I love jets. The instruction. This is from DeAgostini Model Space. The instructions are downloaded, so you have to download all the instructions. There's 24 packs in this one, and so it's going to take about 2 years to do. And today we are going to start with stage one, which consists of this big boy. This is metal and plastic. Screws come with it. You do get a screwdriver for the set, which is going to be nice and helpful. But like I said, this is going to be the first stage of pack one. So let's see what we can do. All right, so the first thing they'll want us to do is to take the Canopy. What part of the canopy is it? Yep, this part of the canopy. Okay, as I was saying, take this part of the canopy, which is all metal, and then the canopy cover, and then slip it in like so. And then it says to use two, what size screws? 8M screws, which are right here. Boy, these things are small. So let's go ahead and get these out. Oh, I see. That's kind of cool. I don't know if you can see this, but on each of these little screws, like this one, they're actually painted. Huh. And so you screw them in right here on the sides. Oh, come on, you guys. I don't know if you can hear that, but I got some cats fighting for some reason. You two be good. Okay, that's one end. Now the other one. Unlike most of the model kits, they don't really have like information about the plane or stuff like that, which is fun with me. I just love to build them. Really, to tell you the truth, there's a couple of them I would love them to see, like an F-15 and an F-14. Oh yeah. All right, next that is done. So they want us to bring this over, which they actually want me to have it that way. And then they want the front of the canopy put on. There's a little tab right here that goes right underneath. For some reason, I'm not good at it. There we go. And then those are also fixed with AM screws. They actually give you 2 packs of AM screws. And it looks like you get an extra one. So I probably will save these for the time being and then throw them away when I don't need them. Okay, there's one. 2. There we go. All right. And then now it wants to take the top part of the canopy and place it underneath. There we go. And then inside here, there's a spot right here. They want this little black piece. And that goes, there is a tab that's on here to help hold it in place. Like so. And those, let me put it up here. Those are supposed to be held in with BM screws. I can usually open these things. There we go. So they want 2 BM screws on this. So there's one. And there's 2. Oh, funny story. Speaking of one of these screwdrivers, I was using one on my, I believe it was the Terminator, and I literally broke it. So I'm glad on some of these kits they send you more than one. So, and that is it for this stage. Stay tuned for stage 2, which stage 2 will be working inside the cockpit. So I will see everybody later on this. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, leave comments. I want to keep doing this, and I'm also going to be working on other things still. It's just I have to get going on most of them. See you later.